Alright, what's up? How y'all doing? Finally, I'm about to do something to this car. All I'm gonna do is change out the spare wheel and just bring the car to a car wash because it's dirty as hell. Yes, nothing more to it. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm about to change out the spare wheel. So I'll have to... Wait, is the jack in your car?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I gotta get the jack for me to be able to pick it up. This shit is great though. This little piece right here. There you go. Did I just use it already? It's fine, it's messy, we gonna clean it. You don't gotta be weird about it being messy. A lot of car
I think the music back
are messy. Huh?
I think the music in the background is probably really loud.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Should be able to hear it just fine.
Booty.
What? What the fuck?
Oh, this shit. This is the breaker bar I'm about to use, but I'm supposed to use this on my supposed to use this in my lug nuts because I have locked lug nuts, but you know what I'm saying, I can't fit this shit in here. Now that makes sense. Oh, this is this. Okay. I'm going to use one of these adapters that fits over this, but that's not big enough. Yeah, this fits. So I can use this and then use the breaker bar to be able to make it work. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Just throw the shell back in real quick. I got it. Last one. It can all be hand loosened, but you don't want it too loose because you don't want the wheel to fall off. What? You see how low this shit is? Look. So
have to go at an angle.
So fucking low. There's no point of me just doing it at that angle. I gotta just put it over there. I gotta just jack it on the left side of where the wheel is, because that's where I took off the side strip. So let's give it a word. Fucking fits. Oh hell no! Alright, got it a little bit down. Not fitting nothing. The car is too damn low, you know? That's literally what I'm talking about. Why would the car this low? Gotta find another lift point. Frame. Shit brought the other lift. I'm sweating bullets right now. It's fucking hot as shit right now. Think it'll be sturdy enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's part of the car's frame, so. Almost there. Just a little bit more. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's how the car needs to be, so it don't scrape. Shit.
Why is it leaning to one side?
Because it's leaning one side. What do you mean? I'm jacking on one side. You think both sides are gonna go up?
I mean this.
Because that wheel is slanted.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put the other jack.
You're gonna put what jack?
I'm gonna put this jack under so I can secure the car. This lift right here is fucked up. This wheel is kind of demented and slanted, so that's why the jack is slanted. which is unsafe. Yeah, it's too fucking low.
Jack it up more.
Yeah. Look what my dumbass did. It's too heavy for the frame. This is honestly pissing me off. Just have it supported by this red stand, the red jack, while releasing that one. Toolbox. Damn, dude. It's not that bad. Just gotta tap it back in.
Nobody's really gonna see that though.
Yeah, but I just want the car to be mint, you know what I'm saying? That's
Yeah.
some bullshit. Alright, let's continue taking this bullshit off. Use this is better. Makes the process a lot faster. Can you throw it over to the toolbox for me so I don't fucking roll away and lose it? Roll it to the side. Thank you. What are you laughing about?
We're both putting like fucking sweating bullets.
Hell yeah, it's fucking hot as shit. I don't know why I chose today to do it. It's been a while I even touched this damn car. Put it over there. Wait, last one. Damn. My fucking legs are burning squatting like this.
No bullshit.
I'm gonna get some crazy ass leg muscles. Shit, look, zoom in on it. That shit's worn out. Really even tread wear left. Yeah, that's. Can't be using that for sure. I better take the other wheel out real quick. So I'll be using a spare wheel. Well, not a spare wheel, a stock wheel for a 1998 Honda Civic DX. Needs to be lifted up a little higher. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, push it in.
Damn. Let me see. Let me see the camera. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's the caliper, and the caliper is mad close to the wheel. It's like a tight fit, but it still works. It still fits good. Once I drop it, the whole fender might come off. I need a better lift point though. I'm just gonna bolt everything back on and then drop it, see if it fits or not. Because those fucking tires are pretty fat. You gotta bolt it in by hand first, star pattern. Just to semi-tighten it. I'm not gonna tighten it that much yet. Tighten more once everything else is in. We're whipping it with a spare wheel, if it even fits. Star pattern. Oh shit, scared me real quick.
Am I sweating a lot? I feel it.
I know I'm sweating a lot.
Oh, that wind is so great.
I need to run back to the spot and grab the red one to assist it. You know what I'm saying? Because the red one is what I use to first take off the side skirts and everything. As you guys can see, I had to take off the side skirts and everything because the side skirts was damaged. Had to take it off, and I used the red hydraulic lift which came with this one. It's called Big Red. Came with the jack stand, and pretty much it goes a lot. It could go a lot lower, so I'll be able to just fit it under any mounting point. Yeah.
A few moments later.
I had to go back to the house to grab this jack because it goes a lot lower. Wait, release it real quick. I think it goes lower. I mean, this was the same one I had to use for the car before when I had to take off the side skirts and everything. I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit under better than the black stand can. And I found some jumper cables that I needed too. When I first started the car, I needed some. I was using some jumper cables, but it was partially ripped, so not enough current was going through. I had to like wait forever for my girlfriend's Civic to charge up my Civic. So now there wouldn't be a problem because these are pretty mint jumper cables, not ripped or nothing, so that should be good. But to jack this shit up, you said what? A cat been eating your sandals? It has to be Salem. Oh, gotta tighten this joint up real quick. Ah, shit, I need this stick. I need the stick from this one to make it my life easier. Yeah, and it fits perfectly. Now the moment of truth is to see if this wheel would actually clear the fender or not. So I just gotta lower everything down. Alright, so like I guess I was right. It doesn't fit under any fucking mounting point at all. So I'll just have to do what I can. I'll just lift it up right here, just slightly, so I could take out the jack and start lowering the car down. I'm gonna start lowering it, and hopefully this jack can actually hold the weight. Yeah, it should be able to hold the weight. It's still good. It's pretty fucking fast. I can at least record like a good. You got the fender and everything?
Yes, babe.
Just in case of the fucking fender pop off, I have it on video. The truth. I think we're good. Oh, we're good. We're good. We're good. It works. Oh, shit.
Now one problem. Another problem.
So this yellow thing was facing upwards, and I guess it's stuck on that right now. One thing after another. Can you pass me the black stick?
Can you? I'm couching down right now.
I guess that's one good news for today. The fitment is good to drive. Alright, then release the air. Damn, can I fucking take this out? That's the question. It's coming out fucking slowly. There you go. Jesus. Oh, it's a nice clear too, look. I actually put my finger on it now. Should be able to drive it now.
Okay. Whew. Now, off we go to the car wash.
Trash. I should just throw in the dumpster. Piece of shit ass tires. The rims could still be like sanded down and refinished to be sold.
That.
Yeah, of course. And make sure you get all your tools because you don't want to lose it. Without tools, you can't do shit. That's the brakes. Yeah, good thing I got got this too, so I'll be able to pump up the tires. Hopefully it works. Yep, works good. And it's barely even going up. Alright, so I'll just pump everything up, and the next step is to go to the car wash. I'll see you guys at the car wash. Man, finally made it to the car wash. About to wash this baby down right quick. You know what I'm saying? This shit's dirty as hell. I don't know if the camera could pick it up, but good thing I ordered 2 new GoPro cameras. A GoPro Hero 10 and a GoPro Max. So I'll be able to get a 360 view, and I'll have like a 5K camera, which is a GoPro 10, to be able to record whatever I need to record, instead of this doodle ass camera. I can't pick up anything. Only got 1080p. Yeah, this car is dirty as hell. Yeah, as you can tell, like, it looks like it's just dusty as hell. Like, it got dust all over the car. But yeah, the low lighting of the camera is chips. This camera is butt when it comes to low light. Alright, so I'm gonna get to washing the car. I'm gonna just mount y'all somewhere for you guys be able to see the car wash progress. It's like a good mounting point. I'm gonna just get to washing the car now. Damn. I almost broke the fucking camera. Alright, now the mounting position is better. Hopefully it sticks this time. The piece broke off of the GoPro. Good thing I'm getting a new one anyway. It fell again.
Still, like,
and it broke off. Yep. Alright, so my camera mount broke. I can't mount the camera anywhere. I'm gonna just record partially what I'm gonna do. This video is a fucking disaster. I just can't wait for my new camera to come through. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. You know how the car wash brush is terrible? It usually has a lot of dirt and grime in it. I don't got any other brush, so I'm gonna just use that brush anyway. But I'm gonna use this, the water jet, to pretty much rinse this down, and then I'm gonna use the brush to brush down the car. Like, pretty much scrub down the car with the soap, and then I'm gonna just water jet everything, so just get most of the dirt and the dust off. I'm not trying to do too much, just to like clean it up a little bit. Yeah, this is how the car is looking right now, and I'll show you how it will look after. God damn, son. That nigga needed some shit for a fact. About to clean down the rims too. But this fitment's kind of looking nasty though. The spare wheel too.
A few moments later.
This is after the wash. Finally got both cars cleaned up at the car wash. Looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. Melanie did a great job with the glass. Looks very clear. Definitely a fishbowl for sure. So what? Mine isn't fishbowl, but it got baked on tints, and it's kind of purple and looks ugly as hell. But yeah, finally finished cleaning up my car also. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner, not as dusty. But after cleaning the car, I definitely see a lot more flaws with like the paint chips, clear coat scratches, like clear coat failure and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Some mint ash spare wheels with a little rust stains. Got the tire shine on it, so it looks a lot better. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the car wash today. Just washing it up a little bit, get all the dust off, a little bit of grime off as much as I can. It's just a little simple car wash. I didn't go into detailing or none of that yet. I didn't buff it out yet. But After I get the wheels and shit situated, I'll definitely do a way better job with the car's paint. Try to buff it down and polish it so it looks good again. Definitely got to replace a few things. Plan on replacing this fender right here because it's like a lot of clear coat failure, paint failure, and it's pretty dented up. I'm not trying to spend money on body work for that when I can get a cheap fender. That's a junkyard. I got some clear coat failure there, clear coat failure all over there. Look at this big ass clear coat failure. That's the force right there. Plan on just sanding it down and wrapping it. And right here, actually just caught me off guard real quick. This fender right here is the fender that got sideswiped. As you can see, like there's a lot of damage along the whole fender, scratched, starting to rust because the paint got chipped off. And as you can see, it's like very dented. It's like dented in like 3-4 different spots. I'm gonna just replace this fender too. But this is how the fitment is looking like pretty much. And it fits way better than the old wheel for sure. I'm fucking with it. It drives way better too. Damn, son. Dorchester drivers can't drive for shit. I have a lot of scratches on my trunk. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's one. It's like a lot. But I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I definitely gotta get that situated. I definitely have a lot of bullshit in the car, like a whole bunch of little ass stuff all over the place. The ECU was out. Got the jack up in here, the tire pump that broke. I got coolant. All types of things in here. Oh yeah, I didn't vacuum because this rug is completely folded, completely messed up, so I'm not even gonna waste my time, my money to fix the rug, because look at this. The rug pretty much came off the whole damn back of the car and it's all ripped over here and everything. So I'm not even gonna bother wasting my time with that. I'm gonna just get a new rug and then just install it into the car and cut it my damn self.